Today in Lana's Kitchen, I'll be making healthy apple oat bran muffins. Walnuts are optional. These muffins are so healthy and delicious, they've been approved by JJ Fitness founder and director.
Hello guys, just finished my workout with my friends, and this is a muffin from Lana's Kitchen. This is an organic oat bran walnut apple muffin, and it tastes good. It's a healthier alternative, and what's good about it is that after you work out, you need to put carbohydrates back in your body and protein so that your muscle fibers can heal, you can get stronger, and then you also have energy for the next workout. And again, it's just promoting a healthier, more active lifestyle, and this is delicious.
To get started, you'll need 1 apple cut up, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of organic oat bran, 2 eggs, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the secret ingredient. Here it is, apple juice. We need 1 cup of apple juice for this recipe. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. They smell amazing. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, remember to subscribe and like my channel. Bye.